Here is the sign for story. Okay, the hand shapes are going to be the same, and they're based on the letter F. How do you make an F? Well, start like this, fingers spread apart, index finger, the thumb, bring the tips together. We have two Fs. Now, as we start the sign, we're going to open up just a bit, right? So we're not going to be together, be open up. I'm right-handed, that's my dominant hand, so I'm going to put my first one there. My non-dominant hand, I'm going to put it here, all right? So the open parts right here are together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close them, pull them out, and then repeat. All right, so all together, I'll go slow. It looks like this. Story. Story. See how we're pulling out, and then we're in the full F position, hand shape, right? When we start together, the tips are open. All right, story. From the sign, story. Other side, story. From the front again, story. Okay, from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Story, story, story. You might want to visualize there's a piece of gum or something stringy and stretchy in there, right? Some goo or whatever, and we're grabbing it, we're pulling it out, and we grab it again and pull it out again. So it's a double motion, right? Story. Okay, a variation to this sign, similar but a bit different, is to use C's. So when all the fingertips are together like that, and we're going to go like this and make the same movement, just this time we're not using F's, we'll be using C's. Story. Story. All right, so that's a variation. To be consistent in this course, we're going to be using F's. So whenever you see me and we're talking about story, I will be signing it this way. Story. Okay, good. We just talked about how to sign story.